Nathan, are you feeding the birds?
Yeah.
Look how many there is. Oh, look, it's the brown ones.
Yeah.
We've never had the brown ones, right?
Give them some more.
Give them food. Give them food.
Bread, you die.
Don't eat that.
Yeah, he's eating it. Get some more. Get him some more.
No.
Okay.
I'm really good for cooking.
Good.
Why?
Send it to them. Wait. Give them.
Alright, go feed.
2 hands now. Here's more.
Okay, there's more.
Okay, 2 hands. No, just both hands. Give them.
Get some.
Good
Go
boy.
Yeah. Oh. That one right over there. Oh, you're done. Go, feed it. Is that one eating it off of you? Oh, Nathan, look, this one right here.
Give
Oh.
some more.
Let them eat. Oh, no. Here. Here, little birdies. Oh, look, he's right there. Ay. Let's zoom in. Oh, wow, look, he's eating it. Oh, make sure he doesn't bite your hand. Is it raining?
Yeah.
Is that why they're hiding in the shade? Are they full? Enough? Yeah? Enough, Nathan? There was more? Okay. How about this one over here, Nathan? This one. Oh, okay. He doesn't want any. You want to give this one? Okay. Hi! Oi! Wait.
You go.
Wow, what is he doing? Ay, he's up there now. Okay, let's go feed him. Oh, there's 3 here now. Oh! Why are they coming to the house?
Ready?
Huh? Okay. Say bye.
Bye.
This is the end of the video.
Oh, Nathan, no more.
Like this, Nathan. Say bye.
Give them